BC is taking its next steps to lift COVID restrictions, starting with masks and moving on to vaccine passports. Starting April 8th, people no longer have to provide proof of vaccination to businesses or events. This announcement follows BC lifting its mask mandate for indoor public places. President of the Chamber of Commerce, Tom Keller, anticipates that this summer will look very different from past ones, noting that the area could see a surge in visitors.
For the Northwest, is cruise ships are coming back to Prince Rupert. So what that shows is that we're getting back to that feeling of normalcy. Terrace is an outdoors town. We have a huge fishing tourism industry, which has been negatively impacted on for multiple reasons, sometimes for the health of the fish, which is important, but then for COVID. So our guides and our fishermen in general, but our fisher people, I should say, our guides are looking for an opportunity to get back out there. And this is going to open those doors.
Keller's optimistic about annual travelers revisiting the Terrace area, bringing in more business for the shops around the city who have been struggling during the pandemic.
We have a lot of European customers that come back to Terrace for these annual trips. So now we're on the phone. Our business owners are picking up the phone and calling these people because we're seeing levels of normalcy. So it's going to bring back our summers, really. It brings back what keeps many of our people afloat.
On Friday, businesses around BC will transition from a COVID-19 safety plan to a general communicable disease plan. Workplaces and businesses can still require mask wearing and the vaccine card if they choose. Keller's goal is to prepare businesses for what is to come.
People need to prepare for inventory. So we might need to be able to support businesses in other ways. We might need to be able to help them find financial options. I worked in banking for over 17 years, and I can tell you, it's not easy to get lending when you've had 2 or 3 bad years in a row.
Provincial vaccination passport programs have already ended in Alberta, Saskatchewan, Manitoba, Ontario, and Quebec. This Friday, the requirement that people living in post-secondary residence be vaccinated against COVID-19 will also be lifted. For CFTK-TV News, I'm Hannah Schmidt in Terrace.